In this video, I'm going to break down why you guys should use TradingView and why it is a need tool for trading. In order to understand what TradingView is, you first need to have the platform on your computer. Come over here to the search tab and go to tradingview.com. Once you do that, you can head over here, you can click on Get Started and sign up for free. Or you can come over here to the Markets tab, go to whatever asset you want, click on it. It will take you to this page where you can view still some history, you can change the time frame, or you can come over here to full chart, and now you can see real price action. Price action is very important to know and to have a history of, as that's how we're able to find these trades. Simple enough to draw a line, and now we have a target. But that's in the future. As TradingView is cool because it gives you all these tools on the sidebar right here. We have access to many different things. A dot as an arrow, just a regular crosshair. We can access lines, we can get a parallel channel. We can really do anything. There's so many tools and different ways. You can track your long setup if you want to. You can track your short setup if you want to. So if you wanted to go from like there to there, you can do that. TradingView gives many options as tools, and we as traders need to utilize this. TradingView also offers you settings to change your chart, as where if you want to change the color, how your candles look, you can really go with anything. And then if you want to go back to default, you can. You can edit your trading canvas, your status lines, if you don't want the logo in the top left. Really anything. The next important thing that TradingView offers is this, the watch list. This is where we're able to pick our assets. So if we wanted to switch over to SBX, Apple stock, US oil, or even USD, or BTC, or ETH. We can come over here, we can search up anything we want. So if we wanted Sol, we can go over to Sol. The next important thing that TradingView offers is this indicators tab in the top left. With this, we can access many different things, but we can access indicators that people have made, along with basic ones. I'm just going to show you my companies. As you can see, we have the order block indicator, the fair value gaps, market structure. These are simple basic tools to mark out simple basic things that you have to do on your everyday trading. So just to have a simple tool to mark out the higher highs or lower lows is sometimes super efficient for us as traders. I will be making more videos explaining TradingView and what each tool does, but this is an overall video just to get you a little used to TradingView. So now you guys can go work around everything that I taught you, learn how to use it, and then next video you guys can understand more. Now I'm going to show you guys how to use a simple tool just real quick. As you can see, we're just going to use a simple line and using channel-based knowledge that you guys probably learned in kindergarten or something. As we can see, it just forms right here. There's multiple spots it respects the line and everything. So this is the current structure where we know if it breaks out below this line, it could go down. If it breaks above this line, it could go up. Thank you guys for watching. And quickly, I just wanted to show you guys a real-time setup. We can use this trend line. We see a break. I'm going to use a little bit of confluence with this rectangle. We'll just go right here at this break or even this fair value gap. We could put a middle line to hit the fair value gap, and now we have a target for Bitcoin. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to follow and like the video so I know that you guys like what you guys are seeing. Comment what you guys want to see, and I'll see you guys in the next video.